So today I'm cooking a meal that most Jamaican men are afraid to eat from a woman, except for their family. Immediate family, moms and sisters and so forth. To start off, you want to put your peas on with some garlic to cook. While that's cooking, you want to wash your meat. In a fresh pot, you want to boil off the pig's tail 2 or 3 times with different water each time to get rid of some of the salt before transferring it over to the pot with the peas. After 45 minutes, you want to add the chicken foot. Your next step is to season the pot. I'm going to list all the seasoning I'm using below in the description or the comment section. After you've had all your seasoning, guys, you can add the coconut milk to it. You can use 1 or 2 or as much as you like. And after you had your coconut milk, your next step is to put a pepper in there, guys. Green pepper for flavor, always. The last thing to go in the pot, guys, is some like a spinach dumpling. And after you've done that, you want to cover the pot and cook it for about 90 minutes, give or take. So after everything is finished, guys, this is what it looks like. Looking at this, guys, you can see how soft and tender the meat look, and the sauce inside looks properly thick enough to actually enjoy your food. Guys, enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up.